Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get a public profile on Snapchat if you don't have it only ways. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon, then tap the gear to open settings and scroll to create public profile. If the option appears, tap Create Public Profile and follow prompts to set a display name, avatar, and basic visibility choices for your new public profile. Most accounts must meet basic eligibility before Create Public Profile appears. Check that your account follows Snapchat rules, has reasonable activity, and complies with age limits and content guidelines. If you are building an audience, focus on authentic engagement and consistent posting to increase chances of seeing the option. Remember, privacy settings can be adjusted later, so make initial choices you can refine as your public presence grows and attracts followers. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a clean, confident scent that lasts. It pairs nicely with hitting the road to shoot snaps or meet fans, and it makes your car feel fresh while you manage your public presence. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Once your public profile exists, optimize it with a short bio, engaging cover snap, and clear contact methods if relevant. Share links to your public profile across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to funnel followers into Snapchat. Regularly post quality stories and spotlight content that showcases your niche to keep viewers returning. Monitor analytics and adjust content types based on engagement patterns to steadily grow your public audience over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.